have decided कि आज last day तो we'll just walk around the entire cruise. Cruise का experience so far good. It's the last day. Are you excited? You can really.
You know my favorite movie actually from India?
Hi guys, it's day 7. Final day of our cruise, and it's a sea day. I enjoy sea day because you get to explore around the cruise, and there are lots of things to do. इतने ज़्यादा इवेंट्स हैं, हम आधे तो गए भी नहीं होंगे बिकॉज सारे इवेंट्स सेम टाइम पे हो रहे हैं. यू हैव टू प्लान योर आइटिनरी प्रॉपरली कि हाँ 1 बजे कॉमेडी शो देखना है, 1 बजे आइस शो है, एंड देन बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ है. नाउ वी आर ऑन डेक 15. इट्स द सोलैरियम एरिया. सोलैरियम ही है ना पूरा ये. मेरी सबसे फेवरेट जगह है. तेरी सबसे फेवरेट कौन सी जगह है?
The top part near the office.
वो तो कल देखे, वो नहीं हो सकती जो तेरे पर फर्स्ट डे से है.
First they said Solarium, but if I would have known about that place, that would have been my favorite for sure.
हाँ अबीस. बट सोलैरियम से इवनिंग सनसेट व्यूज़, इन जनरल वाटर व्यूज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं. होते हैं क्या?
होते क्या है? पेस्टिला से क्रूज आलू.
यस. बट अभी हम लोग डेक 15 पूरा एक बार देखेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि आज लास्ट डे तो वील जस्ट वॉक अराउंड द एंटायर क्रूज. जस्ट थोड़ा सा शांत हो जाए. इतना बुरा लग रहा है
Just
कि कल हम लोग को
every inch of the ship in our memory.
यस
And then relive it in our dreams.
यस क्योंकि कल निकलना है. एंड इतना फास्ट गया ब्रो. 3rd डे तक आई वॉज लाइक मस्त. हाँ अभी और 4 दिन है. ये लास्ट 3 दिन मैं कब से बोलूँ ना झुप चला गया.
Yeah, it just went by. We just had so much to do. We used to wake up, have activities planned, and then come back home.
ब्रो मेरे को भी अभी समझ रहा है कि अभी 2:30 कैसे हो गया.
I know, right?
सुबह से इतना कुछ किया एंड देन हाफ द टाइम तो आई कुडंट रिकॉर्ड बिकॉज वी आर सो बिजी रनिंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर. वो शोज देखो, ये देखो. बट अभी हम लोग आए, आई थिंक इट्स पूल एरिया बट इसको कुछ नाम है. वाटर पार्क नाम है. The entire water park is called something. Pool area, which is always crowded.
Yeah, this is always tough.
Because of course kids के लिए और क्या ही entertainment. वो लोग तो पानी में ही घुसते हैं हर दिन.
Right. Now we are going to one of our favorite spots.
So there are a lot of restaurants, quick bites, drinks, which comes complimentary with the package.
A lot of free food.
हाँ, a lot of free. Not free. It comes with in the package.
Yeah.
But
Basically, you have to pay for the room and you get the food.
Yeah. सबसे बेस्ट इज द स्प्रिंकल्स आइसक्रीम. वो सबसे बेस्ट लगा मुझे फ्री फूड में. सो लेट्स ट्राई दैट. बहुत ज़्यादा हवा है यार.
I know.
Sea day, everyone's just chilling here on deck 15 majorly because it has pool and activities area. There are other events happening on other decks, but it's crowded since there's no place to go anywhere else. आज बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउडेड है क्योंकि
Last day.
पानी में तो कूद नहीं सकते. लास्ट डे नहीं, एट सी है ना. So Windjammer is another dining area which comes complimentary with the package. इधर का खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है. Like breakfast, lunch, dinner, इतने ज़्यादा options होते हैं.
Hello guys. Now we are planning to give you all a tour of the ship. And Alu is tying her shoelaces again because she just can't do it in the first try.
अगर तुमने मिथिला से नखरे किए ना, ये कंटेंट मत डालो, मैं सच्ची बोल रही हूँ. ज़्यादा ना.
But if there is a road from there, Alu, I will kill you. You will be disowned.
We are on deck 4 now. We are on deck 4. It has a theatre, Royal Theatre, a studio which also has different shows and performances happening, and a casino. क्या cool है पता है ये casino? अभी दिखाते हैं, रुको. And this is the
Art
gallery. जिधर काफ़ी अच्छा आर्ट है. अगर हम लोग को थोड़ी भी अक्ल होती तो. सोल्ड रिजर्व लोग लेके जा रहे हैं. Please do not touch. Why? And this is the casino जो सबसे ज़्यादा बिजी होता है और सबसे लेट तक खुला होता है. आई थिंक कसिनोज में वीडियोस नहीं ले सकते ना.
I think, yeah.
सॉरी गाइस, कसिनोज में नहीं वीडियो ले सकते. अभी अपन डेक 5 में मिलते हैं.
Yeah.
बाय. सो दिस इज वी आर ऑन डेक 5 जहाँ पे सब कुछ है. बार, देन देयर इज गेस्ट सर्विसेज और इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर, देन शॉप्स, यहाँ पे कैरियोके, एंड एक्चुअली लॉबी में बहुत कुछ होते रहता है. लाइक दे हैव करेबियन नाइट्स, फॉर्मल नाइट्स, तो सब फ़ोटो शूट्स एंड परेड सब इसी एरिया में होता है.
Hi guys, Alu is going to try another free or complimentary rather food, which is the hot dog. Alu, are you feeling the vacation high ending? Yeah.
छोटे बच्चे बेटर है. ब्रो मेरा ये क्यूट, ये यूनिकॉर्न है ना?
It's a pink unicorn.
क्या दिखा रही है?
कैसे दिखाओ अभी ये? Look. That's Alu and her pink unicorn.
This is actually a jogging track. जो लोगों को बहुत ऐसा व्यू देख के भागना है वो भाग सकते हैं यहाँ से. बट ये भी बहुत प्यारा व्यू है. Cruise का experience so far क्या, it's the last day. इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा था. It was really amazing. I got to visit because of my brother. I came on his family discount, and I booked this Western Caribbean cruise because my brother said that's the best itinerary. You get to visit 4 different ports, and there are various activities as you guys must have seen in other videos, or you might see in the future. And the cruise itself has so many activities and events happening around that there's no need to get off the boat. I mean, they literally have a full package, like for every age group. Events are happening, and इतना ज़्यादा overwhelming था first day पे. I was like, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. And then my brother had made an itinerary for us. He कौन सा शो कभी देखना है, so that clash ना हो जाए. Then we also visited lots of specialty dining rooms, apart from the complimentary dining places that we had. And इतना ज़्यादा fun आया है. I'm so nervous right now that I want to stay here for another week, but that's not possible. But I'm so happy, and I met so many nice people. I mean, इतना ज़्यादा they showered love and affection, and now I don't feel like going back. Cruise trip has been amazing, very successful, and everyone had a lot of fun, and I just feel bad, but I'm pretty sure I've covered most of the places. I mean, the list that I made, I visited all of those places and also a few others. There are almost 5,000, 7,000, I think 5,000 plus people who have come on the vacation, and I got to meet so many families, so many kids, and so many other people, and इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा था. I cannot express it. We have come to the most pleasant and the best deck, Central Park. It has this amazing view, and that is our room. We have Central Park view, and Mark is also here. Yes, so Mark told us on the first day that Royal Caribbean has this tradition where there are ducks, which they call, of course, they call them ducky, are hidden in places where you wouldn't expect anything, and that's like their signature. It's like a scavenger hunt for kids.
Finders keepers.
Finders keepers, yes. And we didn't find anything for 6 days, but today we've spotted 2. We already have one. We spotted this one from our balcony when we were trying to click pictures of the entire Central Park, and we were like, there is something here. And someone has, where is it?
Don't be open the arrow. What if someone sees it?
So it's hidden somewhere here, and we cannot enter the area because there are a lot of trees, and of course you cannot invade, and there are a lot of people around. And it's so amazing. You have the slide view from here. Then you can see the screen which is on the deck, which is on deck 15, and even the room views are pretty crazy. Why is he doing that? it's our last dinner here on cruise, and we have kept the best for the last. It's Wonderland. It's Alice in Wonderland themed restaurant. It was Upa didn't want to cancel this. I was like, let's not go. Let's
Come
not.
on, even you didn't want to cancel
Of
it.
course, the experience is going to be. Let's. अच्छा होता है कि नहीं?
I have no expectations. Everything is going to be.
तो कैंसिल क्यों नहीं किया? Expect तो कर रही है ना?
ऐसा zero expectations so nothing disappoints you.
But we wanted it to be our final dinner here on board. And थोड़ा सा नर्वस हूँ मैं, तो अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस नहीं हो रहा है. Let's go. Everything here is magical, whimsical. I don't know what term to use. So
Just call it cool. It's really cool.
So this is a menu, blank menu, but you can see it once you start painting it. So let's
These are the blank menu. This is the blank menu.
and I'm gonna start painting it. Should I use more water?
Maybe.
Dude,
Takes a while.
Takes a while, yeah. But I can see the menu now.
Wonderland. The Red Queen, she wanted to chop my head off. But then the Cheshire Cat saved my life. Now I'm stuck in this loophole, drinking tea all the time. Quite boring. It's just me. My white rabbit is late for important days. I know he looks dead, but he's alive. And the dormouse that is sleeping in a teacup.
not good.
Confusing, right?
Yeah.
Well, in that case, I will tell you a secret. You see all these people from here? They're all mad, crazy, cool. And you guys fit perfect here, so I don't know now, guys.
We do, right?
Yeah.
So this is some appetizer from the
It's a liquid lobster.
liquid lobster
caviar on
with
top.
caviar, and it's a bone marrow, but
How is everything here?
everything is amazing.
Yeah, where are you from?
India.
You know my favorite movie is actually from India.
Which one?
Can I guess? 3 Idiots?
No,
No.
No.
I know Slumdog Millionaire.
no,
No? Life. Okay.
Life of Pi?
No, that's Hollywood.
That's Hollywood. Which movie?
try.
Who's the actor?
If I tell you, no.
No. There are so many.
There is
movies.
so many movies.
Ah, okay. It's
Shah Rukh Khan?
I think so. And the actress is the most beautiful woman in the world.
Devdas.
Yay! That one. Shanti Shanti Devdas Sarai.
Oh!
How she say? Na buja hai, na bujiya. Meri pyar. Mare dala.
Oh!
Bang on.
I say lo, are lo, are do, are do. I saw it 15 times.
Oh my god!
And all the time I'm
You know
crying.
the line?
No, yeah, it's here. Yeah.
Nazarmila Umroja.
You watched. These are like the old movies, yeah.
That's
No.
a very old movie.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Oh my
Oh my
Of
god.
course. And then I saw that one, but I don't know what is the name. And I was like,
यादों की
बारात निकली है
आज दिल के द्वारे. Oh my God.
that one is an old movie.
Cacao chocolate with creme brulee and salted caramel ice cream inside, finishing with a hot caramel sauce.
Finally, last night. अभी तो almost 5-6 घंटा ही है जाने के लिए. It's already so late. अभी हम सोएंगे, फिर कल रोएंगे, फिर कल सबको टाटा बाय बाय करेंगे एंड फिर घर. मुझे नहीं जाना.
Hola amigos. Shit, please no puede tacos. बड़ा एक्साइटमेंट देखा एक्साइटमेंट में सब ऐसा लगता है हमने ऐसा एक उसका राइड में तो अंदर सपना पूरा हो गया.
I am not
Bro,
sure.
jump!
Oh, you have
Umro John.